Hi there. Hope you're doing amazing. Today being a Wednesday, we are having math. And for today's class, we are having a continuation from our previous lesson. And today we are going to discuss about tens and ones places. Tens and ones places. This is because we have been introduced to double-digit numbers. And with double-digit numbers, they can be placed into tens and ones places, just like how we are gonna find out. Example 1. We have this number 13. 13. This is number 13. Number 13 is a double-digit numbers. What do I mean by double-digit numbers? It has 2 digits in it. So this number can be placed into place values. Place values of tens and ones. When we look at this box on this side, we can see this column reads as tens, 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 and this other column says ones, ones, ones. So 13 can be placed in place values of tens and ones. 1 will go in the place of tens, and 3 will go in the place of ones. Same as when we look at this image. This is a bundle of sticks. In this bundle, we've got 10 sticks. We can count to prove that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is a bundle of 10 sticks. But then we have 3 more sticks on the side. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So altogether, this gives us 13 sticks all together. When you look at page 120, there are these empty boxes where I'm going to need you to fill in the number for the remaining examples. Okay, so you fill in the number. Example 2. Example 2. We have this number, and this is 14. 14. This is number 14. Number 14 is a double-digit number. Double-digit number, meaning it can be placed in values of tens, tens, and ones. It can be placed in values of tens and ones. 1 is placed in the tens column, and 4 is placed in the ones column. This can also be read as 1 tens and 4 ones. 1 tens and 4 ones. Also, when we look at this picture, this is a bundle of 10 sticks. If you count them one by one, they total up to 10. while the next 6, when you count them, they total up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what does this give us all together? This gives us a total of 14. Okay, this gives us a total of 14. So in terms of place value, 14 can be written as 1 tens and 4 ones. Tens and ones is what we call the place value. Tens and ones is what we call the place values. And now let's open page 121. Page 121. Value of the digit in each place. Now we are going to look at value of the digit in each place. Case example 1. We have this double digit 12. 12 can also be represented in picture form using a bundle of 10 sticks and 2 independent sticks. Therefore, 2 is in the ones place, 2 is in the ones place, its value is 2. Okay, its value is 2. So when we look at number 12, 2 is in the ones place, 2 is in the ones place, therefore its value remains 2. Okay, its value remains 2. Now let's look at 1. 1 is in the tens place, correct? 1 is in the tens place. Its value is 10. Okay, this one you see right here, this one is in the tens place, but its value is 10, not 1, 10, because remember this is 12, so 10 plus 2 gives us 12. So in conclusion, 2 has a value of 2. 1 has a value of 10. Now we have this number 15. 15, if we count these sticks, do they add up to 15? Well, we already know this is a bundle of 10 sticks, meaning altogether these sticks are 10. And then we've got additional independent sticks. Let's count to see how many they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 sticks. So 10 plus 5 gives us a total of 15. Now let's look at this number in terms of value. 5 is in the ones place. Its value is 5. This 5 right here is in the ones place, therefore its value remains 5. Now 1 is in the tens place, its value is 10. This 1 is in the tens place, so its value is 10, which is correct because 10 plus 5 gives us a total of 15. Okay, 10 plus 5 gives us a total of 15. And now numbers 11 to 20 in expanded form. Numbers 11 to 20 in expanded form. What does that mean? That simply means in addition form. Okay, if you want to write double-digit numbers in expanded form, it's more like carrying out addition on that number. Just like here, for example, these are how many sticks altogether? Well, we already established these are 10. Now let's count to see how many these are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 10 plus 6 gives us a total of 16. So when you carry out this addition problem, we are writing numbers in expanded form. To get 16, you add 10 plus 6. Okay, to get 16, you add 10 plus 6. So 10 plus 6, we get 16. This is writing numbers in expanded form, simply meaning carrying out addition with the double-digit number. But to do that, we applied tens and ones places to get this sum. Same as this example. We are going to count the sticks to see how many they are in total. We already established these are already 10. It's a bundle of 10. But then we have to count these independent sticks to see how many they are all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So altogether they are 18 sticks in total. 18 sticks in total. So how do we write 18 in expanded form? Well, writing 18 in expanded form simply means carrying out addition on this number, but using the concept of tens and ones places. Okay, using the concept of place values. So 18 in expanded form is simply 10, 1, this one in the tens place is 10 plus 8, which is in the ones place, so we add 8. So 10 plus 8, we get a total of 18. So how do we write 18 in expanded form? It simply means addition. 10 plus 8, we get 18. Now we are going to see comparing numbers 11 to 20. Comparing numbers 11 to 20. But in this case, we have started with the number 10 because the number 10 is also a double digit number and it's the lowest digit number. So comparing numbers simply means we shall be determining which number is bigger or smaller, which number is greater or less, or which numbers are equal to each other. That's what comparing numbers means. Comparing numbers means simply determining which number is greater or smaller, which number is bigger or less, or which numbers are equal to each other. Now, when we look at this example, this is a bundle of how many sticks? 10. This is also a bundle of how many sticks? 10. So 10 in numerals is 10 written like this. Also this side 10 in numerals is written like this. So ten and 10, are they equal? Is one 10 greater than the other 10, or is one 10 less than the other 10? What do you think? Well, if this is a bundle of 10 and this too is a bundle of 10, meaning they are equal. This bundle is equal to this bundle, okay? Meaning this bundle is equal to this bundle. That was example 1 concerning comparing numbers. Now, let's look at our example 2. Right here we have marbles. Marbles that have been arranged in a pyramid form. And this side we also have colored marbles that have been arranged in our rectangular form. But before we get into this example, we are gonna first count to see how many number of bubbles are there. Are they 15? Are these 12? Let's find out. We can count together with the teacher. Let's start from top to bottom. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Correct. So indeed we have 15 marbles this side. How about this side? How many bubbles are these? Are they 12? Well, let's count and confirm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well done. Indeed, they are 12 marbles. In this side, they are 15. Now, let's get on to comparing. 15, when you look at the double digit 15 and when you look at the double digit 12, are they equal? Are they equal? Is 12 greater than 15, or is 15 greater than 12? Is 15 less than 12, or is 12 less than 15? What do you think? Are they equal? Is one greater or less? Well, 15 is greater than 12. This number of marbles that are 15 is greater than this number of marbles that is 12. Therefore, 15 is greater than 12. And now, right here we have a stack of books on one side and colored pencils on the other side. Let's count and determine how many stacks of books we've got right here. Let's start from top to bottom. Let's begin. You can count together with the teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes, so it's correct. We have 17 books that have been stacked together into a pile. Now this side, how many colored pencils do we have together? Let's count and confirm to see if they are indeed 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Correct. And you've done a good job if you did count together with the teacher. Indeed, they are 20 colored pencils all together. Now, let's determine if the stack of books, the number of stack of books is greater than the number of colored pencils all together. We are going to compare and see. Let's find out. Are they equal? Is one greater than the other or less? Well, correct. The stack of books is less than the number of colored pencils because the number of books stacked are 17 and the number of colored pencils all together are 20. When you look at the number 17 and you look at the number 20, 17 is obviously less than 20, okay? 17 is obviously less than 20. And for our assignment, kindly fill in the exercise 120 on page 120, page 121 to page 122. Then there's also another assignment from page 124 to page 125, and lastly an assignment on page 128. Well, if you've been listening from the beginning up to now, well, that's a good job and keep up the good work. Thank you for listening, and you'll be hearing from me very soon. Take care. Have a great time. Goodbye.